Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of triangle is greater than the length of the third side. It's given in triangle ABC. ABC is its given. To prove, measure AB plus measure AC is greater than measure BC. Second equation, measure AB plus measure BC is greater than measure AC. And third equation, measure BC plus measure AC is greater than measure AB. Firstly, we take equation 1. For this equation, we take a point on AC ray we take a point D. The point D is on the AC such that AD congruent AB join the point D to B so triangle ABD is formed. Take a point D on CA ray such that AD congruent AB join point B to D. Label the angle 1 and angle 2. So triangle ABD is formed. For statement and reasons, in triangle ABD angles opposite congruent sides are congruent mathematically in triangle ABD if AD congruent AB then the opposite side A is angle 1 and opposite side AB is angle 2. So opposite side of AD is angle 1 and opposite side of AB is angle 2. Then measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 2. In this equation, AD congruent AB is its construction, while measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 2 is a statement in triangle A BD which is equation 1. By postulate addition of angles, angle DBC postulate addition of angles angle DBC is equal to angle DBA plus measure angle ABC. It can also be written as measure angle DBC is equal to measure angle DBA, and measure angle DBA is equal to 1. Therefore, measure angle DBC is greater than measure angle 1, which is equation 1. Measure angle DBC is equal to measure angle 1 plus measure angle ABC. Therefore, measure angle DBC is greater than measure angle 1. Which is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, when measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 2, then measure angle DBC and Meyer angle DBC is greater than Meyer angle 1, then Meyer angle DBC is greater than Meyer angle 2, which is equation third. Meyer angle DBC is greater than Meyer angle 2, which is equation third. From triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, the side opposite to longer angle is greater than side opposite to smaller angle. If angle DBC is greater than Meyer angle 2, then the opposite side of angle B is DC, and opposite side of angle 2 is BC. So in triangle DBC, the if condition, which is equation third, Meyer angle DBC is greater than Meyer angle 2, which is equation third. The Meyer side DC is greater than Meyer BC. We know that side DC is equal to DA plus AC, DA plus AC, so we can write Meyer DC is equal to Meyer DA plus AC DC is equal to Meyer DA plus AC. On putting the value of DC, Meyer DA plus Meyer AC is greater than Meyer BC. From construction, Meyer DA is equal to Meyer AB So the value of DA is equal to measure AB plus AC is greater than measure BC, which is the required proof of equation 1. Similarly, measure AB, measure BC is greater than measure AC and measure BC plus measure CA is greater than measure AB.